patio, in your backyard, or at the campground, the 36-inch griddle cooking station from Blackstone is going to cook the food you love. The 4 powerful 15,000 BTU stainless steel burners are independently controlled, creating 4 cooking zones and enough versatility to cook for 2 or the entire neighborhood. The Blackstone 36-inch griddle features a solid steel griddle top, 720 square inches of evenly heated cooking surface. Cook eggs, pancakes, veggies, burgers, stir fry, steaks, or just about anything else to perfection. Experience the ease, fun, and flavor of griddle cooking with the Blackstone 36-inch griddle cooking station. Blackstone, outdoor cooking without compromise.
Now, for the most part, this is like the other Blackstones out there. Same setup, 4 burners, propane over here on the left. The big difference is the actual griddle top. As you see in the back, it's got a hole for the rear grease management system. The biggest problem seemed to be on the other Blackstones was the grease, and there's a million YouTube videos out there of how to fix this. Well, apparently Blackstone listened and they changed design. Now, there's a couple things I do like about it. One is there's actually a lip here at the front. Let's see if I can get around here and show you. So you got a lip now at the front instead of the trough. The grease cup is no longer here. So it kind of frees up your shelf space. I love that. The other thing I like is it works. It is great. I'll have a little clip here I'll show you here in a minute of actual grease draining out of it, and you don't have to modify it. It works. The other thing I do like is now I don't have to scrape grease towards me. Hot grease does not have to come towards me. I actually just scrape it now out of the back. And that's wonderful. I love that. Now, of course, everybody's gonna have something they don't like. Now, I'm not saying I don't like this. I'm just saying some people may say this. You gotta watch out. Food will fall down here. There's nothing here to catch food from falling out. So, there's that. The other thing is, as you can see, you can't see the grease cup. So it's not that hard. Just walk around and boom, there it is, empty it. And actually on this grease cup, they give you handles and it just unhooks like that. As you can see, it has a little hook on the back. All you do is just take it, hook it on. But please, when you do that, this thing can slide anywhere. So make sure you have it lined up under the hole in the back of the griddle top. Otherwise, your grease is gonna go all over the ground. The handle, real sturdy. I love it right there. I've heard some people complain about where it's at. I personally don't have a problem with it. I don't know if this is on the older models, but the newer models, the one I have, actually has a place that you can lock your pins in when you fold it up and keep your legs locked in. And also, the rollers have locks on them now. Where if you're on a hard surface, you can lock them down. Now, I don't know if that was on the older models, but it is on this one. For the most part, it's the same. This is just a quick review, mainly showing the rear grease trap. Like I said, I'll show a clip of that. Other than that, it's the same griddle top, and it cooks great. We've cooked sausage, bacon, some toast, Italian sausage, eggs, all kinds of things on this already. We love it.